All right, welcome to a second video this week. This one's going to be a bit short about Canvas, the platform Canvas, so that you guys can participate in book clubs virtually. I've set up um, a group set of groups on Canvas for you guys all to participate in book clubs at your own grade level. Um, that was the constraint that they had in Canvas, that I had to put you guys in groups with your own grade level. Um, I will see if there's a way to work around that. But for this first week, you guys are going to do it in small groups with a maximum of 6 kids and a minimum of 3. And your responsibility is to, after you have finished your classwork, so in Google Classroom, your work for the week for English Language Arts is to fill out this organizer. Okay, think of it as just as your participation in book club. Um, when you go to book club, you introduce your book. You give a claim about a character in this case. You give me some evidence or a quote in your quotation. And then you comment on characterization. If you're wondering what characterization is, please refer to the mini lesson for English Language Arts that I'm posting on Google Classroom uh, from YouTube. Um, so once you've done that, you have your post. Okay, this is like a tool to create your post for an online discussion forum. So you've got your post. You're going to take it and go here to this link. You're going to click sign in. It looks different when I click on it now, so I'm not going to. But you click sign in, and once you sign in with Google, it's going to show you your classes. These are all of the classes that I have. Um, um, English 5, English 6, English 7, English 8. There's actually one for all of the social studies classes too. Don't worry about all of your classes, only you'll need to worry about your English class. So you go to your English class. So we're already on English Language Arts 5th. You'll see there's a little banner, a welcome, um, where you're going to go to post your book club participation is discussions. You're going to take what you wrote in that organizer and you're going to post it to discussions. Okay. Um, let me go back and go to the student view so you guys can see what it'll look like on your end. It's very similar to what you're seeing right here. So this is what it looks like. Okay. This is what it should look like when you click on English Language Arts 5th or 6th, 7th, and 8th. It should all be the same. You're going to go to discussions over here and you're going to click on the pinned discussion virtual book clubs. Okay. This is what you're going to see. This is just a quick reminder of what you're doing on the discussion forum. You're going to take what you wrote in the organizer and you're going to type it or paste it in the reply section here. Okay. That's all you got to do. Once you've put it all in there, you can click post reply and it'll post it onto your small group. Each grade level, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, all separately, are have different groups. Okay, some of them are organized by the book that you're reading for classic fiction. Some are mixed classic fiction, and some are the short stories that I assigned or that I've been assigning and will continue to assign each week um, as another option for a reading workshop. So um, you won't know what group you're in um, until and who's in your group until people start posting. So you got to get on there and post. Your peers will post, and then as the second part of the book club participation is you're going to need to ask questions and make comments to what your peers write. Okay, I'm really hoping that everyone gets their posts up by the middle of the week. I set a deadline for the organizer Wednesday night. And for full participation, I'm asking you to make your original post and respond to your peers' posts with at least 2 comments or questions. Once I start seeing activity in Canvas, I can kind of create some screenshots and share those with the group to see what it should look like once you're started. But as of now, no one has attempted to post it in there. So that's why I'm creating this video. So I want to show you guys what Canvas looks like and how you're expected to participate. This first time will be some trial and error because you've never used this platform, you've never done an online discussion forum other than commenting on Google Classroom posts. So it'll take a little time for us to get this going, but I'm hoping that it will be a cool way for us to do book clubs um, while we are at home with distance learning. Goodbye.